Hey everyone, Amazon Guy 940 here, back with another package from the land down under. Well, this should be a Fidget Cube. Knockoff, I should say. Oh, let me hit you with a quick retrospective real quick. So, back in August of 2016, Matthew and Mark McLaughlin made a Kickstarter for the Fidget Cube. You could fidget with it all day long. And it still hasn't come out officially yet, and so lots of people make bootleg stuff. That's where I got mine. Alright, so here we are. Some info. Cube. Yo, you got everything. You got click, spin, flip, glide, roll, breathe. Cube, a work-class home. Digging the minimalism, digging the monochromatic colors. Just look how classy that looks. Like, damn. The other camera is ran out of battery, so now I'm on this one. Alright. Cute little paper here. See if it'll ever focus. Breathe. Say goodbye to stress. The design of this face is inspired by traditional worry stones, tools used to reduce anxiety when rubbed. And here's the other ones. Fucking, I don't feel like saying them all out loud. And here we go. First impression. It's like dirty right there. So that's funny. It's really wiggly. It's not a good thing. This one you spin. This also clicks down like a joystick, and you can. Kind of awkward to hold. This is the worry stone. It's super loud. That's pretty much all there is to it, I guess, you know?